How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to My Gardening Habit. I'm Rob Mayer, and today we're harvesting an experiment. I've always seen online potato towers, and I've never had any luck with them. I've tried them a couple times, and I always kind of wrote it off to just inexperience growing potatoes. I do definitely have inexperience growing potatoes, so it's on my list of things to get better at. I had this tube that I wanted to try it out with, so I figured we'd give it another go. I did some reading up on it this year to try to up my game, and everything I'm reading is that potato towers don't work. I'm not giving up on them just yet because I had something I wanted to try. I'll probably try it again next year even if this doesn't work out. But we're going to go ahead and harvest it today and see what we get. The tube that I have is a conveyor belt from a water treatment facility, and it's very porous, so that as material gets dropped onto the conveyor belt, the water runs out, leaving the solid material on the belt. I've gotten a couple of these, and I've been using them as composting tubes, hot composting tubes. They seem to be working out really great, and I figured, what the heck, all the extra oxygen you'll be getting from the sides might help the potatoes to grow a little bit better. And so far, from what I saw with the growth of the greens at the top, it definitely was doing better than the potatoes that I had in past years. So today we're going to go ahead and give it a look, see what happens. Might be no potatoes, might be some potatoes. I think I just used some, I don't remember even exactly if I used red and russets. There was definitely some russet potatoes. It's what we usually buy from the store. There might have been a couple red potatoes in there also, but all the potatoes that were just about going to waste, they were getting pretty funky and getting eyes coming out of them. I guess it was around June time frame. I decided to go ahead and toss them in here and see what we get. So you can see that the greens at this point are pretty weak. Most of them have died back. So we're going to go ahead and pull the tube and see what happens. Alright, so I didn't get the best crop out of this. It's really just a measly, maybe a handful of seed potatoes. I didn't expect to get a whole bunch of potatoes. You know, obviously the dream is there that I'm going to pull that tube off and potatoes are just going to come spilling out. That wasn't the case. I even raked through with the pitchfork just to see if maybe I missed something. Obviously didn't, so not really sure exactly what I did wrong. I don't think that you just can't grow any potatoes in a potato tower. I think it's just something that I'm doing wrong, whether it's the wrong potatoes that I'm putting in or the wrong growing media that I'm growing them in. I tried layering a couple layers of straw grass in there, and I used a lot of compost, so maybe it has something to do with that. Maybe they're supposed to be grown in sandy soil, something like that. I'm really not sure. I got a lot of research to do before next year. Next year I'll plan to try and grow in a couple raised beds, and you know, I got these tubes, so I'll continue on with trying the potato tower thing. as long as I have the potatoes and the means to do it. At least to try to get a normal crop out of them. Maybe not, you know, the amazing, what are probably hoaxes at this point, I'm starting to believe. You know, harvest that you see some people pull off out of a trash can or something. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.